Guys, what's up? It is Wednesday and we're going to take you through a tour of the fastest growing automotive tint shop that you're ever going to find. Let's go check it out. Starting off, as I said, we're a tint shop. We got some things here that are getting tinted or have been tinted already. Starting off with the Ram here. I came in for a simple thing, just wanted to get a visor done. So we did that in our xpel XR line, giving him the blackest visor that we can. And that's also going to block some extra heat as well for him. To its left, we have this Suburban here, it's a 23. Beautiful looking Chevy, and we are going to be tinting the fronts once again in that XR line to keep things consistent. And then we got one more thing outside here. We have this black Z06 C8. We have Steve just doing some touch up, as well as Caleb observing here. He's going to be doing the ceramic coating very shortly. This got a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap, giving it the best protection for whenever he has it on the road or potentially on the track should he want to go that route. After we do this touch up, we'll get the ceramic coating going and then it'll be good to go back to the customer. But you know, that's all I got outside. Let's go inside and we'll check things out there. All right guys, we are inside. We have T hard at work on this 23 Forester. Once again, we are tinting the front windows to match the rear section. Keep it all consistent and uniform. As always, there's a lot of tint on the schedule, but if you have a vehicle you want to get tinted, give me a call. I'm the one you'll talk to and we'll get you taken care of, put on the schedule. So here to this direction, we have a Bronco Raptor. This is actually going to be the first one we've had in our shop so far. We tinted the fronts and we're doing our premium 8-year coating to this. So it's going to give you all the benefits that our ceramic coating has always given you. Ease of maintenance, ease of washing. You're never going to have to once wax the vehicle during that lifetime of the warranty. And ultimately, it's going to look shinier than all the other Bronco Raptors out there. And that's in the process of getting its one pass polish done. And then here we have a 7 Series. We don't work on these too often, but the customer here elected to do a partial front paint protection film install. So that's going to take care of about 1/3 of the hood. Where it stops on the hood, it'll do the fenders, we'll do the bumper, of course, and then the side view mirrors. All right, so this was last week's full wrap of the week. We have it completed. Customer's actually going to swap out with another 911. Just 1 year newer than this, I believe. And then we'll do finishing the full wrap on that, and then we'll do a ceramic coating over top. Here is the full wrap of the week that we got going on. It is that's actually the second full wrap of the week. We have a CT5V Blackwing. We are doing the Ultimate Plus 8 mil insulation on this. And then after we're done with that, we're going to finish up with a ceramic coating. Now, what do we have here? Well, hello there. Is this the horsepower obsessed car? Oh man. That's fancy. But this is Justin's ZR1. It is black. We have done literally everything that we do here at Blackout Tinting to this vehicle. And you can catch it at Corvettes of Carlisle this weekend. For how long? I don't know, but it'll be there for a little bit. But at any rate, this is all we got going on here in Latrobe. Gibsonia, what do you got out of your shop?
What's up guys, it's that time of the week. Let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop.
Over here we have a completed ceramic coating on this 2016 Silverado. This one got the body only, so we got the entire vehicle polished out, topped it off with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating with the 4-year warranty. Next up is an in-progress coating. This one a 2023 F250. This one got our track package and the paint protection film along with the A-pillars and top part of the roof. Mark is doing his thing now on the paint correction. Once that is all polished out, I'll be coating the entire vehicle in our 4-year warranty coating.
Want to know how many cubic yards this thing holds?
Let me know.
2.5.
2.5, there you have it.
Next up for a paint correction and coating is this Cadillac CT4V. Really cool, unique vehicle. The interior's a really neat spec. I like the seats a lot. You can see it has a really unique design. So really neat vehicle. So we're going to polish out all this GM black paint, which if you're a detail guy, you know GM black is tough. We're going to get that all polished out and get the entire vehicle coated. In the back of the shop, in the PPF area, we got our 2 full wraps of the week. This one is a 2023, right Austin? 23? Cool. 2023 Range Rover. Both vehicles, both the Range Rover and the Type R, are getting a full wrap. This one is just about wrapped up here, so Austin's just doing his final touches on the mirrors, it looks like here. And next up for the full wrap, of course, is the Type R. This one also in for Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Once that is complete, we're going to be coating the vehicle and tinting all of the side windows and back window in 20%.
That's all for Gibsonia. We'll catch you guys next week.
What's up guys, this is Nate from Blackout Tinting in Miami. Check out what we've got in the shop this week.
Here in the PPF bay, we have Amari working on a 2022 BMW X4 M40i. It is the Brooklyn Gray, getting a full stealth paint protection film wrap, as well as a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Here in the PPF bay, we have a 2022 Ram 1500 Got the paint protection film on the full front clip to give them that everyday driving protection. Here in the tint bay, we have Alfredo working on a 2023 Tesla Model Y, getting XR Plus fronts and windshield.
That's all we got in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let's know how we're doing. Let's send it over to Dean with Flat Glass.
Today I'm cutting film for Dom Patron's new bar and patio area at the LATROBE location. They're trying to add a little bit of spice and variety to the restaurant with fresh drinks and different styles of seating. That way they can accommodate more customers and make it a little bit different than your everyday experience. We're using one-way mirror to give them maximum privacy, heat rejection, and glare reduction. That way people can enjoy the atmosphere inside without prying eyes and looking at them while they're there.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us this week. If you like what we do, here is another video that you can check out. Or if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button right here, and we will see you next week.